I'm Gaurav Bathwal. I'm the co-founder in Niine Private Limited. Nine was established in 2018, and we are manufacturers for sanitary napkins and baby diapers. As I mentioned, we launched in 2018, and we were open to the market after COVID. We have invested in the best technologies. We have a state-of-art plant, and plant is fully air conditioned, and we have invested in one of the very good assets. So we realized that it's good to open up in the market, and CMPL was one of the platform, right, where we got the exposure that Nine is also open for the OEM solutions. So it helps us connect with a lot of brands like Apollo, Tata, Flipkart, Amazon. When I heard them, I understood their issues. People are looking for quality products, more solution, flexible solutions in packaging, flexibility across the range, developing the whole range of products. So we realized that we can solve the purpose and solve the issues for all our customers. Recently, we onboarded Apollo, so we are doing their entire ultra thin napkins. So they were having certain issues from where they were sourcing earlier, right? But through joint R&D, we developed a product, and we delivered them, and they're extremely happy and growing very fast. So similarly, like every customer has their own need, whether it's about performance, it's about the range, it's about the development, or also R&D efforts, joint efforts, which they are thinking of any innovations related to biodegradability, compostability. So Nine works along with all the partners, and we try to solve them, or cost optimization, through design developments, different raw material constructions. So you hear the customer, you understand their problem, and then you fix it. So, and this platform really gives us a lot of opportunity, especially to connect and understand the consumer need and where the market is growing. And that helps us for our own brand as well. I would say you get down all the brand managers and R&D people from various companies under one roof, and they get to see all the industry competition under one roof. So it solves the purpose for the brand, right? So probably if I have solution for two product, they will find another two in the vicinity. So that's a good thing. What I have understood from the customers' feedback which we give, right? So like certain things are being manufactured at Nine, and certain things which we don't manufacture, they get an easy accessibility of those factories because everyone is here. So it's a very good, I can say a junction where the brand owners, industry peers, everyone meets and solves purpose for each other. When I came in 24, we successfully onboarded quite a few brands like Apollo, Tata, Plush. All of those brands, we got to know and understand them in this platform only. And today we are doing significant business with them, where we were in 24 and where we are. We have, because the base was very small, or we just started. So in last 1 year, we have exploded with them. I mean, it has helped us in our capacity utilization at Nine, and a lot of learnings is happening from both the parties. So, and number of players are there. Apart from the brands, even regional brands, government orders, people who are interested at a regional level, even they are participating. The wholesalers are coming, people are coming for distribution ship. So it's not just, a lot of things. It is helping our brand Nine as well as our OEM customers. So solving the purpose for both.